How to log into your credit card account online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your CareCredit card account online. To do so, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, at the address bar, you need to type in carecredit.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of CareCredit Card. Here in this page at the top right, you will find this login option. Click on this login option and then you will be presented with two different options, whether to log into your consumer account or provider account. Here choose one of these options based on your preference or based on your login details you have. Once you have selected one of these options, you will be directed to a new page now. In this new page, you will find the login interface on your screen. Here you will find two boxes, where in the first you will need to enter your username and in the second box enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct username and password here. You can also click on this show button at the right side of this password box to reveal it and check whether you have entered it correctly or not. You can also click on this little square that says remember user ID if you want your username to be remembered for future logins. Make sure to enter all the details correctly. If in case you fail to enter the correct details, you will not be able to log into your account. If in case you have forgotten your username or password, you can recover them by clicking on this I forgot my username or password option at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts to recover your account details. Now once you have entered all the details correctly, go ahead and click on this login button right here and then you will be able to log into your CareCredit card account online. After logging in, you can view your account details, manage your card and perform other transactions. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.